Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So in the following session of videos, I will be creating a desktop page like this using CSS Grid, and will also create this auto-filled product card using the grid functionality only, and will show how I managed to create the desktop and the mobile version using the CSS Grid properties. This all is created using the CSS Grid. It is automatically filling, and below I have also created a scrollable footer containing some buttons. So without any delay, let's just switch to our first section of the page, which is the toolbar. And toolbar already contains a title, so I will be next creating the buttons, the two buttons that I am having. One is the zero item selected button and the other one is the hourglass button. To write button in toolbar, we normally use them inside the buttons component. Everything in this page is mainly static, so I will be writing all the numbers and the text statically. I will be showing the slotting afterwards. Now firstly I will just write the button. The second will be the hourglass, that is also having a button functionality. And it contains a hourglass icon. So to write every icon or to use every icon in Ionic, we firstly import it using the Ionicons icon folder, and then afterwards we will use it in our uh, template. I was getting error because I have used normal brackets, then the curly braces, so I will use them for this. I have imported the icon. Now I will use it in my button. Next thing is that we will return this icon in the setup method like this. This is the process for using every icon in Ionic. Now I will be seeing the slotting part. So firstly I want the buttons in the end, so I will give them the end slot. Both of them are at correct position, but I will be giving secondary slot to my zero item selected because it is at secondary position from the end, and this is the proper syntax to write the slots. So our title part and the toolbar part is completed. Now I will be focusing on the header part. This is called the header. I have named it the header part. So I will be showing this. I will switch to the content of my page and will simply write a div over here. I will name it a header, so we'll give it a class of header. Inside header I will be having three parts, that is, the first one will be the search, the second will be the filters, and lastly I will give it a name called results. Search part contains search bar, filters contain some filtered items, and the last result part will contain badges as shown here. So firstly I will go to my search div and will write a search and will implement a search bar using the ion search bar component. We have a predefined component in Ionic, that is the ion search bar, and we automatically get this thing. The next thing will be some filtered items. Here I am having four items, so I will be using ion item for this. The first one contains a label and a chip, so I will be using a label first. And will give it a name called ordered after. The chip contain a date input, so I will be using an input component with type date inside the chip. So we are getting our chip properly. Similarly, we will be creating same thing with ordered after. So I will just replace the next item with this and will simply rename it to order before. It is also having a chip with a type of date input. The next will be a chip and a label having loyalty status. We are having a select over there. So I am using and select for this. inside that we have some select options. It is static, so I'm not providing any options over there. I will give a placeholder called select. It is looking like this because I haven't used this select inside the chip, so I will put them first inside the chip. We are not able to see, but we will fix this using CSS afterwards. We have seen a ribbon icon in the chip loyalty status chip, so I will use that icon here inside the chip. And lastly, we have a item where we have a toggle button. So I will give it a label. Then we have a toggle button. So after this, I will be using toggle. I written the wrong spelling, so let's just correct it. Now let's just provide the slot to my first two items. As the last one item is at last, so I will remove the lines and will provide now slot to both the first two items to end. So both the chips are at end now. All the three components are created. So now we will focus on its grid, how we achieved the grid that we have shown. Lastly, we will cover the result div also. It contains two badges. I will give the first badge a color of success and will give second badge a color secondary. Success and secondary are predefined colors of Ionic, so we can simply use them inside our component like this. All the three parts of header are completed, so now let's switch to its grid portion. We will do its styling in the style part. Here I am seeing first part contains search bar and the result, and the second part contain the filters. So first I will go to its class. I have named it header. I will provide separate section or areas here by grid area. Firstly, I will provide a grid area search to the search class, then filters to the filters class. We will be creating our grid using these areas. And lastly, we will give results a area of results. Now we will go to header class and write its grid property over there. Firstly, to display them in grid, we will write display grid property. After this, we will define our grid. It will contain the search bar, then the filters in one grid, and secondly results and filters. When we will save it, we are getting this. Now we will give some area. I want both the section to have a column of 1 FR. So I will be giving them like this, grid template columns, and I will be giving both the columns the area of 1 FR. The shorthand for using grid and grid template column is like this. Just save it, and both of them is in the area of 1 fraction. They are using 1 fraction each. Now I will give some gap, and we are able to see 16 pixel gap between both the grid. Let's just give a padding also of 16 pixel. I want my result batch to be at end, so I will be aligning itself to end by using the align self property in the result class. So in this way I created the grid. Let's just give a margin as well. I want a bottom margin. So the first portion or the header part is completed now. In this way I created this portion using the grid area template, grid template columns, given some gaps using the CSS grid properties. In the next section I will be creating the rest of the thing. Lastly, I will focus on the select portion and will give it a max with 100% because it has wrapped itself. So hope you like this video. Thank you.